Welcome to NickNet Videocast. I am Nitish Kumar and today I'm gonna tell you how you can find the hidden gems. So basically this is the wallpaper which comes whenever you're trying to log into your computer, and it is called Windows Spotlight. But the problem is you cannot get this picture directly, you cannot use it, you cannot save it, you cannot put this like a wallpaper just like I have did. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can do that, how you can find that hidden gem really fast. Just like you can see, I have this wallpaper and I actually kind of fell in love with this wallpaper. So I decided to figure out the solution and I'm going to share this with you. As you can see, I have actually downloaded this and set it as my wallpaper. So quickly I'm gonna tell you how you can do that. First of all, you have to go to this PC and click this little arrow button. Go to views, views, go to options, and it pops up this window. Go to views, and here you have to select the show hidden files and folders and drives. Apply it, set it okay. Now basically we have to go to this path. Whatever the picture that Windows sets on your lock screen goes into this folder, so you have to go to this path. So go to this PC, go to your C drive, go to users, then go to your user. Mine is Nitish obviously, and you can see there is a hidden folder app data. Click on that, then go to local, then we are searching for packages. Basically this is the path, you can see packages, and now we have to look for Microsoft Windows Content Delivery Manager. So this will be a little tough task.
6.5 hours later.
Microsoft Windows Content. As you can see, here it is. I'm gonna go and click this. Now you have to go to local state. Local state. Then go to assets basically, or you can search on the folder directly, assets. It will also pop up. Now here's the little trick. The Windows has provided so many assets which cannot be usable directly, only Windows can use. So in this crappy file or crappy assets of Windows, we have our hidden gems of wallpaper that we are looking for. So I want you to look for any file that is greater than 400 KB. That may be your wallpaper. I'm not sure that this will be your wallpaper, but there's a 99% chance that will be your wallpaper. So there are so many files. Other files are very small, so I'm gonna go with the file with the bigger size. So I'm gonna pick this one because this is bigger. I'm gonna copy this thing because you cannot open this here. I'm gonna paste it on desktop, and quickly I'm gonna change the name to img.jpg. This is the format of picture. Hit OK. Now you can see now it is converted into picture. Double click on that and voila, you got the gem. So this is how you can get all the picture that Windows puts on your lock screen or Spotlight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.